When I started looking at deals for this video, I asked myself one simple question. Would I actually spend my own money on this? And that filter alone almost eliminated everything. There are hundreds of deals right now on Nykaa, Amazon India, Sephora, Ulta, but most of them look exciting only because either they are nicely packaged or they are marked as holiday specials. And I thought to myself, when I recommend something, it can't be just because it looks special or it looks good online. It has to pass that personal test. So what you will see in this video are the deals I would genuinely buy with my own money or because the value is objectively worth it. So let's get into it. The first kit or the deal here is the Ordinary Winter Hydration Gift Set. It's got 4 full-size products. It's available on Ulta. This is the first kit I want to start with because I feel it's genuinely useful, especially if you or you know someone who lives in a dry, cold climate. The glycolipid cream cleanser, the hyaluronic acid 2%, the natural moisturizing factors, and their viral milky toner. The hyaluronic acid 2% is something that I have used before. In dry weather especially, it makes a noticeable difference. It pulls moisture in and gives that plump and hydrated feel without any stickiness or heaviness. I haven't used this cleanser as such, but based on how consistently The Ordinary formulates their products, I trust it. Their formulas are straightforward, consciously priced, and in my experience from The Ordinary, if the product doesn't wow me, it's never damaged my skin either. And that matters if you have a slightly reactive skin just like mine. Now, the Natural Moisturizing Factor Moisturizer, I have used it and I love it. It performs well in humid weather and in colder climates. It's a peptide-rich moisturizer and it's one of those kinds that work across different climates. Now, the Milky Toner also, it's something that I haven't personally tried, but I've consistently heard good reviews about it and the ingredient list looks pretty solid. Buying all 4 of them separately would cost you around $41 to $42, but this bundle is only $26 for 4 full sizes. For me, this is a no-brainer holiday deal, either for yourself or for someone who lives in a dry, cold climate or someone who's not too deep into skincare, but appreciates something that feels more scientific and results-driven rather than that whole beauty fluff thing going on. The next one here is the Isdeen Fusion Water Magic SPF 40 plus bonus mini. So you get here a 50 ml package plus a 10 ml mini travel size. It's available on Amazon. Now, talking about this product, I have used both of its versions, the tinted and the non-tinted one, and they are excellent. Lightweight, non-greasy, easy to reapply. If you like chemical sunscreens, this is one of the best textures out there. Normally, the 50 ml costs $38, but with this deal, you get an extra 10 ml for $42, just paying $4 extra. When you calculate per ml, the discounted one is obviously much cheaper and you get a travel mini pack as well. For me, this deal is pretty worth it because I know how the sunscreen performs, especially in the hot and humid weather that I'm in. And any day, I would love to have the mini travel size pack whenever I'm stepping out, whenever I'm traveling. So this is a pretty good deal, either for yourself or for your loved one. The next one on the list is my strongest recommendation in this video. It's the Celimax Vita A Retinal Shot Dual Set. I have properly tested this product over 2 weeks, over 30 days, and I have reviewed it before. It delivers, it's effective, well formulated, and doesn't irritate my slightly reactive skin when used correctly. Now, one tube is for $26, but if you buy this pack together, you get a discounted price of $32. And that's a straight 30% drop. And the one thing that's there with this product, how you use it. You don't have to use it every single night, but you use alternate nights and you use a tiny amount. One tube lasts more than 2 months, so imagine these two together would last you more than 4 months. If you have been thinking about trying this, if you've been eyeing this product, and since it looked a little pricey before, right now is the time to grab it. The next one on the list is the COSRX Snail Mucin Limited Holiday Set. It is a serum plus all-in-one cream plus 2 hydrogel masks. Now, I have personally used the COSRX Snail Mucin Serum back in the days when I lived in Dubai, and the weather is, as you know, it was hot and dry and it performed beautifully. It gives hydration, comfort, and helps with irritation and dehydration, although I do not recommend it if you are living in a hot and humid weather. But if you are living in winter conditions, this is a great formula to add to your skincare routine. The set includes the full-size serum, the Snail 92 all-in-one cream, and 2 hydrogel masks. These individually cost over $47, but this bundle is priced at $32, which I feel is a straight more than 30% of the saving. And even though I haven't used the mask or the cream personally, they do have strong reputation. And based on how the serum behaved on my skin, I am comfortable recommending this entire set in the winters for your dry, dehydrated skin. Also for gifting, COSRX is seen as a premium in K-beauty space. I'm very sure it's a brand people are happy to receive. The next gift set on the list is from Inky List, their Build Barriers gift set. It has oat cleansing balm plus Ectoin barrier serum plus bioactive ceramide moisturizer and a cute little bag. Now I have used the Ectoin barrier serum and it really impressed me. Even in humidity, it sat beautifully on my skin. And even though Ectoin is generally recommended, for winter dryness, but even when I used it in this hot and humid weather, it sat really well. It did not feel heavy or greasy at all. This kit includes the full-size serum, the oat cleansing balm, and a ceramide moisturizer. The oat balm here alone is usually pricey because cleansing balms are usually, pricey. Their ceramide moisturizer is ideal for winter dryness, and ceramides in general work well across different kinds of climates. You just have to adjust the frequency, maybe twice a day or once in a day, depending how your skin feels. And this set gives you all three plus a bag, and for the price, it's much better to buy each product separately. If your skin barrier needs support, that winter dryness, or after retinol usage, or after you have come back from travel, this is a great set. Now the last one I have here is from Summer Fridays, their Jet Lag Essentials Hydration Kit with travel sizes. It's available on Amazon and Summer Fridays website. Now talking about Summer Fridays, I have never used this brand, but I have been eyeing on this brand for such a long time because I have heard some great reviews, not just online, but even in real life. My friends, they have recommended me a lot of products, and the only reason this kit has made to the list because somehow I trust this brand based on the real life feedback. Every single person who has tried anything from this brand has had a good experience. As I said, not online reviews, but real life experiences. This jet lag kit makes sense as a holiday gift because long distance travel and jet lag can wreck your skin. And this kit is literally designed for that. It has niacinamide, it has glycerin, hyaluronic acid, allantoin, bisabolol, cucumber extract, a solid, soothing and hydrating lineup. The full price of this gift set is around $46, but this holiday season it's available only for $34. If you want to try the brand without committing to full sizes, or if you want to give someone something thoughtful, something that says, I know you travel and I want you to feel better through that recovery, I feel this makes a genuinely meaningful gift. And from all the deals that I have seen online, I feel these are the only deals that are worth your money, either because I've used the products myself, or the value is clear, or the formula makes sense. I hope you've liked the video. If you have, please do like and subscribe to the channel. And that is all for today's video. This is Neha signing off. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.